You will find in the boxes the following. You will find a complete shaft unit like this, an engine which is pre-assembled with a throttle cable. This is the other side of the handle. You'll have a harness and you'll have a stone guard. So let's start on the stone guard side of the machine. All the tools, everything is included, and all the bolts and nuts. So you can use your own tools as well. But this goes on like this. You will see there is a little notch on the inside, and there's a little lever key going there. So this will flip in, and you will just line up the holes, and that is to secure your stone guard. Okay, I'll just take my tool here quickly. Okay, the next item we're going to fit will be the nylon head. Just tighten it nice and hand tight. Okay, nylon head works as follows. We supply a aluminium nylon head with our machines. We find it much better for the gearbox, for the clutch, and yeah, just easier to use. There's no losing parts like on a the old plastic nylon heads that everybody's used to, but you can fit a bump feed, a universal plastic head to it as well, but you supplied with a aluminium head. One thing to remember, your nut, it works different way around than a conventional nut. So if you fasten it, it will actually loosen. Just remember that. Left hand thread nut, we will take off the dust cover. We will take off this extra dust cap. Now you will see your little nylon head. It's got an indent or recess that fits nice and snug on the washer here. Another locking hole which we will use to hold it fast for ourselves if we want to fasten it. So we lock that in place. We put back the nut. Remember, left hand thread it. So we will actually loosen it now to tighten it. And then, yeah. So we will go left-handed thread now. Just keep that one intact. Nice and snug. Take out the locking pin, test it, see if it's not wobbling. So now your nylon head is intact. We will move over to the assembling the engine to the shaft. You will see that your throttle cable is already assembled to the engine. So we will do the following. See, there's four holes there. This engine will fit in nicely. There's 4 bolts supplied. So as you enter these bolts, don't tighten them all. First enter them all, and then afterwards, if all 4 bolts are entered, then you only tighten them. Okay, they are all entered. Now we can fasten them. Nice and hand tight. Okay, our next step will be to tighten the handlebars. And now we're going to assemble your 2 handles onto the machine. You will see that your throttle cable handle is already fitted to your machine. This one will fit on your right hand side. So always take it underneath the machine, underneath the cable or your shaft. It will fit in on this end. Your left hand unit will go on the other end. And just make sure that you don't fit the one only halfway. They must be in. You'll see there's like a little indent on the pipes. So that will be a good indication. That's about half. So just make sure that both ends are in the same amount. Then we can just tighten this. Make sure your handlebars are nice up. And this one upright as well. So this you can adjust according to your operator's size, body shape, whichever. Okay, that's nice and tight. The next thing we're going to do, we'll be just round this part off. See, there's two tie straps. Just tie down your cable like that, the throttle cable. And then there is just like a protection pad, just to protect your shaft from shaving through. Just works with a little velcro. Goes around like this, the back, over the clip. Nice and snug and secure. And there your machine is totally assembled.